Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Netflix account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, just a quick tip, if you want to get Netflix for a much cheaper or better price, you can scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where it's going to take you to a website called Gamsgo. And this is where you can share your password with other people under the same subscription and get the same subscription for a much cheaper price. Once you go here, just sign up, click here on purchase, and as you can see, for 3 months you can get it for only 15 euros almost. And then from here you can even have a promo code and enter Gummy for an additional 5% off to get it even cheaper. And that's pretty much it. I've been using it for 3 years, it's very safe, and it's worldwide. Now, to sign up traditionally to a new Netflix account, all you have to do is go to netflix.com and then here enter your email to start the sign up process to get started with a new account. Then they will send you a sign up link for this email, and then we're going to send link and then open it from the website. Once you do that, it will show you this page where you're going to click finish sign up, and then you're going to choose your plan. And then from here, as you can see, the traditional prices are much more expensive than the one in Gamsgo, but if you prefer this one, then you can choose whatever method you would like. So even standard, for example, click on next, and then you can choose whatever payment method you would like, such as credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And then from here, once you do that, fill in your details and then start the paid membership. And that's pretty much it. Very easy, very simple. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.